Here we have a 71 plate Mercedes-AMG G63. Now this vehicle comes with the 22-inch matte black alloy wheels, and we do also have the red AMG brake calipers just behind. We have the grey exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. We also have the Pan America front grille, the AMG badging on the right. Coming round to the passenger side, you'll find them wide arches. We do also have the side steps along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We do also have the V8 bi-turbo badging on the sides. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. We also have the black door mirrors just here. And if you take a look on the roof, you'll find we have the glass sunroof currently open, can also get put onto a tilt. We also have the AMG exhaust system, which has the side exit exhaust tips on either side. 360 cameras as well. Coming around to the rear, you find the rear tow bar. We also have the spare wheel as well, and the boot, which opens out like a door, which you would have seen on the photos. Back around to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now to open up the door, we press the button in and open like so. You find we have the leather seats inside of here, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well. Now both of these outer seats are also heated, which is controlled on the doors. You've also may have noticed the ambient lighting. We do have the climate control in the centre along with the vents as well for the rear passengers. We do have the premium MERCEDES sound system as well throughout the vehicle. It really does sound incredible. Now taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, really plush and comfortable seats. Got the AMG logo as well across the front seats. Both the front seats are heated and they can also be cooled, and they are also electrically adjustable with the memory functions. Again, the MERCEDES sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows. We do also have the automatic lights down here. Again, we've got the ambient lighting running all throughout the interior. Multifunctional steering wheel. I'll just take a seat inside. You'll find we have the digital dashboard in front of us. Many displays and features on here which you can just quickly scroll through. You see you've got all these different options along with the different designs. We do also have the adaptive cruise control here on the right hand side, along with the dial to change the different drive modes. We then have the shortcuts down here where we can change certain things. So we have the auto start button and the exhaust note. Press that and it makes the exhaust sound more powerful, or we can have it set to balanced. We can also change these up, so you can see as we press here, got all these different options which you can flick through and customize how you like. Of course, paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, which is also electrically adjustable with the stalk down there. Main infotainment screen in the center. Many features on here, again, you would have seen on the photos. It's currently showing the sat nav, but we do have the buttons down here. So if you click onto radio, you find the radio stations along with the media options as well, just here, the Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. If you go onto the main menu, you'll also find other features which you can scroll through. Go onto Connect, you find Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. If you go back to the main menu though, go across to Vehicle, onto the light settings, you see the ambient lighting just here with many colours which you can choose from. If you go back to Vehicle though, and then go back across up, you'll find we have the seats just here, which is where you'll also find the massage functions for both the front seats. A few options just there which you can go through as you can see. Now moving further down, we also have the differential lock buttons just there. We also have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers and the ice cold air conditioning. Nice little clock here in the centre, gloss black trim as well as the buttons for the screen. We have the different drive mode buttons just here. So flick this up, you find the individual, slippery, comfort, sport and also the sport plus drive mode. And we do also have the trail drive mode just there. If we press this button in, it will change the trail, but let's leave it in comfort for now. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the 360 cameras. It's currently showing the reverse camera as the main screen, but we can flick through each individual camera and you can see they all work just as they should do. So if you put it back into park though, and then again having a look further down here, you'll also find the manual mode, the suspension setup, traction control. We then have the armrest as well in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. We also have an extra grab handle just there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.